Newfoundland Labrador. A Chinese man myself.
Being federally regulated in full rights, enforcing unlawful orders is criminal court offense.
Stop going my people and indoctrinating them.
Right?
Oh, wait, yeah, we've seen each other before.
Temeturate Spirit 1989.
I'd like to hand to any police officer criminal information of the Lieutenant Governor. So, police officer. 44-page detailing criminal information on the Lieutenant Governor. The Justice of the Peace Office is closed in terms of processing private prosecution applications. The public has no protection.
Are you gonna leave her?
Yeah, I'll leave eventually.
No, are
Sorry,
you,
what's going on, David?
And everyone in the same group is all congregating to the north end here.
Anthony?
Let's take a walk, David.
Here's the group we're all congregating in the north end.
I'm gonna grab my I'll take it.
Section 1 of the Charter. You should be posting a window for information. My reason for being here is to report a criminal code offense. I'd like to report a criminal code offense of the Lieutenant Governor. I'd like a police officer to take my information.
I saw the weather was like 0 degrees, so I thought, you know, summertime.
I don't have access to the U.S. Center. I don't have access to the criminal court system.
Everyone wants to walk right ahead.
I don't have access to the criminal court system. That falls under domestic terrorism and
Hugs over Mass and Hamilton Freedom Movement have been labeled a hate group. We are not a hate group. We've been labeled a hate group in Hamilton. We are not a hate group. We don't care whether you wear the mask or not. We don't care. We don't hate anybody. We invite everybody to come and join us.
Who do your opponents say you espouse hatred towards?
I have no idea. These are just the phone calls that I'm hearing from certain people throughout without the group. Right? So I have no idea.
All right. Well, we'll see what happens as the day progresses. I heard the officer tell you he got his ticket book out that you have to keep walking. You can't
Walking, please, sir. Thank you very much. You're going to be walking either one direction or the other. Sir, thank you. Sir, you have to walk along. You're not, sir?
I mean, I spent a couple days in Boston. Right now, yeah, I mean, I think I have
the Human Rights Code. That's why I'm here.
And this is exactly what I went through. Wasn't allowed to leave my house. This is house arrest. All right? And I can tell you that firsthand experience.
Well, try to stay out of
Thank you for the discussion.
and embrace your freedom at the same time. If indeed that is if that is possible, as John Tory
I'd like to give my documents.
Yeah, I highly doubt it, but yeah, it's no, still not for me. I've been there once and I won't go there again, and I made that vow to myself years ago when I was a kid. Awesome.
Thanks for your time.
No problem, thank you.
You're dancing in the hospital.
And I am free. I'm son of God, and I'm free. Don't worry about that. Keep up the good work. I'm son of God. That identification who you asking me. Before I gave up.
Sir, you will be arrested if you refuse to identify.
See, when you are violating my rights to be free, to walk in the little land of God. Father, forgive them for what they do not know what they're doing. You're forcing me. Well, you're not asking me because you're forced.
Sir, at this point right now, I'm going to ask you one more time for a name, or you can disperse it.
I'm son of God.
No identification happened.
So you're under arrest?
See, see, and that's.
Arrest for obstructing police.
Don't be afraid, my friends. Don't be afraid.
Officer, what is the
They have nothing to do. They can do nothing to you. Don't be afraid. Don't have fear. My friends,
Private matters.
my brothers, don't have
You can ask
fear.
him.
Don't have fear. Fear is not
You
of
want to ask
God.
about his issues? You can talk to him after this. I'll talk about the rest with him after. Okay?
Remember who stand for truth. Their names will be written in heaven.
One under arrest, Cortez, the monument, we're right down here.
Innocent man, you're violent. You will be suffer consequences with your soul.
You can get some officers over there.
Light came into the world, but evil, like darkness, rather than light, because their deeds are evil. Children of vipers, evil doers. You are violent.
You have the right to self-defense.
I have not been created any violence to
You're
you
charged with offense. May
or
apply to Ontario
anyone.
Legal Aid Plan for assistance. 1-800-365-0451 is the number to contact. To the Legal Aid Judicatory Lawyer for free legal advice right now. Do you understand?
Your courts are liars.
Do you wish to call a lawyer now?
No, I'm son of God.
Do you understand what I read?
Vengeance is mine,
Would you like me to
God
reread?
said.
Or do you have anything on you that's sharp?
Ask
Anything
silly
cocaine?
questions, my friend. Your body, I mean my body, it's yours now. It belongs to you. You can do whatever, but I'm not gonna give you my soul. My friends, don't have fear. Fear is not of God. Fear is not of God. All prophets came before me, and they will come after me. Have no fear.
Sir, have the police told you why they're arresting you?
Just for not obeying them.
How did you disobey them?
I said, I came here on my own. I walk here on my own. Nobody can push me again from the land.
That's apparently against the law in Dundas, Toronto now.
Yep, I think so, but I follow eternal law of love. And they're full of law of violence. And that's what violence is.
All right. Okay.
They're using force on innocent people. That's all.
Please get in touch with us after you get released, sir.
Sorry, we're just gonna need to make a little room here, okay, guys? Thank you. We're just gonna make it past the road.
I'm son of God.
Oh, God. Okay. Pretty sure that's
We just need to pass the road. Please.
I am son of God. I don't know your legality.
I want to know either legal.
I don't have that name. Gave up long time ago.
I can prove there's no pandemic.
Are you on drugs? Are you on drugs? I despise any drugs. They're on drugs.
All right, guys, let's get the hell out of here. John Porter.
You know what? I think we should take these people. 10 people go to Mount Sinai. 10 people go to St. Mike. 10 people go to fucking, you know, like what do you want to do after this? Who wants to go to Hospital?
Yeah, man. Like.